Hello and welcome to another video from the Visual Studio Code series. Now, before I show you any more extensions, I want to point out one important thing, and that is you need to review your extensions from time to time because you will install extensions. That's normal, but it can get out of hand. And let me show you what I mean. If you go to the extensions, um, and you wait a little bit, you will see the installed and the recommended one. So recommended is what Visual Studio would say it's good for you based on the one hand, based on the popularity of these extensions and based on what you've been lately doing in Visual Studio Code. Now, as you can see, my installed one is pretty big. I have 43 extensions and a couple, as you see, have updates, so reload is required. So if you don't have a look from time to time, you may experience issues and you will not know why that is the case. But let me go a little bit down and show you something else. For example, this thing right here. So a couple of extensions have this information and says extension is deprecated. So I have two options here. Either I disable it or I uninstall it. Okay, let me just uninstall this. And in other cases, for example, for Ruby, you will see that it tells me, okay, this one has been deprecated. However, there is another extension instead. So same for this one right here. So let me just migrate to the other Ruby. Uh, and I think it has been, no, it hasn't been done. It hasn't been done. But let me just uninstall it and I will install a separate one. So this was a short video, but a very, very important point. From time to time, do have a look at your code and the ones that you are actually not using anymore, uninstall them. Uninstall them or update them. And of course, for brand new extensions, have a look at the other videos in this series. As always, do not forget to rest, then test, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one and bye bye.